Hi everyone, and welcome to a brief tutorial on how to use the database APA PsycTests. PsycTests is an EBSCO database where you can search and find tests that were used in peer-reviewed articles published in PsycInfo and PsycArticles. Searches in PsycTests will not produce articles, nor will it find classic tests available to purchase. PsycTests only has the tests that have been used and written about in articles found and linked in the PsycInfo and PsycArticles databases. If you are looking to replicate a test for your own research or to get ideas on how to create your own tests, this is a good place to start. To find the database, start at the Broome Library homepage at library.csuci.edu. On the left, under Research Tools, click the Databases link. Then click on the top link, Databases List. Click on P, then scroll down and click PsycTests. This brings us directly to the advanced search screen for APA PsycTests. The first thing you'll notice are the Google-like search boxes at the top. This is where you will enter your search terms. Before beginning a search, look under Limit Your Results and click the Full Text checkbox. We normally do not recommend this because even if a database doesn't have the full text of a publication, Broome Library can interlibrary loan the publication quickly and for free. However, you cannot interlibrary loan tests, so always check full text so that your results only include tests you can access. Do not click peer review. Tests are not peer reviewed, only certain academic journals are. Because you are searching tests, you will not get any search results if you check peer review. Scrolling down, we can choose additional limiters that will further narrow or refine your results, such as test year, age group, gender, and population type. When you see the box Permissions, click the down drop-box menu and choose May Use for Research or Testing. This means you can use any test in your search results without asking for permission. Remember, you are searching tests, not articles that use the tests in a specific way, so be careful using these limiters at the beginning of your search. For this search, I first want to see how many results I have before adding additional limiters. I'm going to scroll back up to the top to the search boxes. Let's search the terms art therapy and child with an asterisk. The asterisk allows any word with the prefix child to be searched, such as children, childlike, childhood, etc. And therefore, tests using those words will be included in your search results. After finalizing your search terms and limiters, click the search button underneath the search bars. This brings us to the search results page. Underneath the search box, you'll see that we have 4 results, so we don't need to add more limiters. But if you have too many results, you can adjust your search terms or use the filter drop-down menus at the top of the page to add more limiters. Let's click on the first highlighted test. This takes us to the test's detailed publication page, which has a lot of information about this test, including its purpose, its description, as well as keywords and index terms, which might be helpful search terms in the future. It also has the test's citation information. Sometimes the test will link to the PsycInfo article that uses the test. Click on PsycInfo Record. This brings you to the journal article in PsycInfo. So if you only want to search PsycTests, be sure to open the database from the beginning. Let's head back to the detailed publication page in PsycTests to demonstrate how to access and save the test. To access the full test, click Access Now PDF at the top of the page or the download arrow button in the menu bar. If you want to access this page later, do not save a link to this page, do not copy the URL in the browser bar, or bookmark this page. Instead, use the menu bar on the top right. Click the share arrow icon, then create a link, and paste that link into a document to access later. You can also send this text to your Google Drive, OneDrive, or email. If you make a free My EBSCO account, you can use the Save Ribbon icon to save the source in EBSCO. Clicking on the cite quotation mark will allow you to create a computer-generated citation directly from the database. You can choose whatever style that you're working with. Just be sure to review the citation for accuracy, as generators can format citations incorrectly. Let's click Access Now. This is the full PDF of the test with a concise description of the test itself. Use the icons at the top right to download, print, and listen to the test. Thanks for watching. Remember, if you have any questions, you can always reach out to a librarian from the library homepage by using the Ask a Librarian link or the Ask Us chat button on the library's main page.